Hi, I'm Sara Bushong, Dean of the University Libraries. I want to welcome you to the Falcon family, and I'm so happy you chose BGSU to further your education. Although these circumstances are not how any of us envisioned for your college orientation, you have an exciting journey ahead of you. As the academic heart of campus, the University Libraries advances teaching, learning, research, collaboration, and discovery through quality resources and services. Our experience right now, while not the typical first-year orientation, does not decrease the academic support we provide for students. The University Libraries offers students research assistance, tutoring in the Learning Commons, and areas for collaboration or study. There are so many opportunities for you to find your place at BGSU. I hope you take advantage of the support services we have at the University Libraries, and I look forward to seeing you soon on campus.